وَلِذَلِكَ the day of judgment, our legs will not move from its position. Mu'adh ibn Jabal radiallahu ta'ala anhu narrated it as a Sahabi, and also Abi Barzat al-Aslami. The Prophet said, لا تزول قدماء عبد يوم القيامة حتى يسأل عن أربع. You'll be asked about 4 things. Your legs will not move from its position until you answer these 4 questions. The first one is عن عمره فيما أفنى. Your life that you lived on this earth, how did you spend it? أولم نعمركم ما يتذكر فيه من تذكر وجاءكم النذير. Did we not give you a long life to live? What did you do with your life? You're going to be asked that question. You have to have an answer for that. There was a poet who mentioned about a man who gained, he aged. He was very young. He used to be a very strong man, and he was, mashallah, a youth. But then he became old, and so he threw his bucket into the well. And then he tried to pull out the bucket out of the well, but he couldn't because he's old now, so he can't do it. He's fragile, he's weak. So he said, Mali idha jadabtuha sa'aytu. Why is it that when I pull the buckets, I make noise? Why am I saying, while I'm pulling the bucket? Akibarun alani ambeitu. What is it that's making me heavy? Is it because of age? Or is it because of, baytu here means wife and children, the responsibility at home? Then he said, Layta shababan bu'a fashtaraytu. I wish, being a youth again, I can buy that opportunity again. I can go back and benefit from being a youth. Are we all together? So this opportunity that you guys have right now, there's one day you're going to look back at it and say, I wish I had it. So he said, لَيْتُ وَهَلْ يَنْفَعُ شَيْئًا لَيْتُ لَيْتَ الشَّبَابًا بُوعَ فَاشْتَرِيتُ. I wish, but is that going to benefit me? I wish. It's wishful thinking. You're not going to get that. You can't go back. You've missed that opportunity. Are we all together, brothers? So being a youth is an opportunity, a marhala that is from the blessings of Allah. نِعْمَتَانِ مَغْبُونُ فِيهِمَا كَثِيرٌ مِنَ النَّاسِ الصِّحَّةُ وَالْفَرَاغُ. Having health and having what? And time. Those two, if they combine for you, that's a hujjah against you and a proof against you. Are we all together? Either you benefit from it and you take that opportunity, or you don't. Sah, brothers? وَالْوَقْتُ أَنفُسُ مَا عُنِيتَ بِحِفْظِهِ وَأَرَاهُ أَسَلَ مَا عَلَيْكِ يَضِيعُ. Time is the most valuable thing, and it's the thing that we're very inconsiderate with, right? If you lost £10,000 right now, you can gain it. There's a chance you can get it quicker than you got it the first time. But the time that you lost will never come back again. It's gone. And guess what? When that time goes, you go with it. That's what the person's going to say. They're going to wish for those deeds that they could have done. And he's going to wish for, Ya laytani qaddamtu li hayy. And these are the cries and the tears that are not going to benefit you. So the first question you're going to be asked from the 4 questions is what? An umrihi fima afna, wa an shababihi fima abla. You're going to be asked about your life, and guess what? This hadith always surprises me when I hear it. You're going to be asked about your life, how you spent it, and then again you're going to be asked about your youth. Wasn't that the first question? No, it got asked again because this is the most important part of a human's life. وَعَنْ شَبَابِهِ فِيمَا أَبْلَاهُ. And you're going to be asked about وَعَنْ مَالِهِ مِنْ أَيْنَ اكْتَسَبَهُ وَفِيمَا أَنْفَقَهُ. Your wealth, where did you get it from? Where did you get your money from? Halal or haram? Okay, now once you answer that question, you're going to be asked every penny that you got. And then after that, you're going to be asked, okay, wait, where did you spend that money? You're going to be asked for that. And last but not least, وَعَنْ عِلْمِهِ فِيمَا عَمِلَ فِيهِ. You're going to be asked about the knowledge you were given. What did you do with it? That's the part I want from it. The knowledge you gained, what did you do with it? You're going to be asked what you learned. And a lot of us, alhamdulillah, we have knowledge. We listen to the khutbatul Jum'ah, right? The khatib gives us a lot of information. We listen, we hear it. And then we go and we just follow our whims and desires. We're going to be asked about it the day of judgment.